So here within endpoint automation, we have a number of rules. Rules are compliance type items that will assist in ensuring that the compliance state of that particular rule is in place. So if you look at the list here, we've got rules that check if the bit service is enabled. If that service is disabled or is not in the manual state, it will make it so. Is there reboot pending? Similar thing, enable the reboot process, prompt the user to reboot the device at the end of the patch status. Sometimes that is required to ensure that the device is patch status compliant, as well as check if the device is patched in the last 30 days. That's a key indicator if the device is able to patch at this point in time. And before starting the patch process for every month, it's important to understand and get a view of your patch health and agent health on the device and ensure that those things are in place. Here we've only got 35 machines, but in big organizations or any size organization, manually checking these things is a very time-consuming process. So having rules like we have listed here, and there may be additional rules that are independent or customizable for yourselves. So we've got the disk space check, for example. Clear down some disk space. As we know, a lot of the Windows updates are quite large these days. Ensuring that there's enough free space to download that update is key. And we talked about a little bit about configuration already, but ensuring that auto update is enabled. Ensuring that the configuration for auto download and schedule the installation is also enabled. As you can see in this state, there's a couple of devices that are not compliant. 3 there, in fact. And same with auto update enabled, 1 device is not in the compliant state. So this is a very easy way to set up a whole bunch of rules to ensure your patch state is always compliant, and then leave it to work its magic on the device, run the rules as required to get the devices into a healthy agent patching state so that when the patch Tuesday comes around, the devices can patch and we get to that compliance state as quick as possible.